In this video I'll be looking at the Ranger II, Remington Ranger II 10-inch 8-amp electric telescopic 2-in-1 pole saw / chainsaw combo, and it does have a automatic chain oiler. This is the box it came in. I had been using an earlier version of this that I had for about 6 to 8 years. Very similar, except it didn't have the angle power head like this one here. You see it here in the box, and here you also see this angle here, which helps with the cutting. The main difference between this saw and the one I had was that this one is very easy to go from chainsaw to pole saw and vice versa. Just a matter of snapping it in. The other one wasn't that difficult, but it just took a little bit more. This one, in a matter of seconds, you can do the conversion, as you can see here. This one did have the chain already on, so I didn't have to go through that. But like I said, it easily converts from pole saw to regular chainsaw in just a few seconds. Ready to go there? Then when you want to extend it here, take the clamp off, it extends. Okay. If you leave it the way it is, it's about 7 feet. So you have a reach of 7 feet plus whatever your height is, and length of arms and so forth. And there, of course, you can adjust the chain here. One knob loosens the bar, and the inner ring you can tighten or loosen the chain. Okay. Many years ago, I used the manual one that had about we had to reach about 6 or 7 feet. No power. This, of course, is electric. And here I'm pretty much going the whole distance. So this is reaching up to about 15. I said my height and reach is a little over 15 feet, and I'm going there. And I don't get a clean cut there. I don't like when that happens. So sometimes it's easy to just start another cut. And of course you need all the safety gear as far as helmet, gloves, protective eye wear. And I would suggest a sweatshirt, because usually when those branches hit, I always get it in my arms. I try to gauge it just right, and sometimes I miss it by a few inches, and they scratch my arms. Again, it looks like a snake over there. That's going up high, 15.5 feet or so. And even though you need the long cord, I was debating whether to get a battery one, but I basically just trimmed the bushes of the trees in front of the house and the back of the house, and with a 100-foot extension cord, it's good. I do it maybe once or twice a year. I get out there and trim the branches. This is day one. Actually, I spent about 2 days doing this. 1.5 hours or so per day. Some in the front, some in the back. So this is really just the first day. This is showing you some of the branches I took down. It does have a branch hook in case this happens. You can try to hook it there, either with the chain or the hook. For convenience, to break the branch down. So this is the second tree I'm working on here in the front. But again, I really do like the saw, and like I said, the cut is fine. The thing I like about it is, like I said, it's just so easy to go from pole saw to chainsaw, vice versa. Self-oiling as far as the chain goes, so don't have to worry about that. Pushing a button to keep your chain oiled. So I guess I hope this is informative to you, and these are the branches I took down on this day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.